Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by selecting the area that contains blanks, a column, multiple columns, or the whole sheet. Once selected, navigate to Home, choose Find and Select, then go to Special and pick Blanks. This highlights only empty cells. You do this to avoid altering non-blank data and to speed the next actions. Make sure to visually confirm the selection. If other cells are included, press Escape and refine the range before continuing so your edits affect only blanks. Once blanks are selected, decide whether to fill, shift, or remove them. To fill, type a value or formula and press Ctrl+Enter so every highlighted cell receives it. To remove gaps, right-click a selected blank and choose Delete, then shift cells up to collapse rows. This preserves surrounding data order. Alternatively, apply a filter or sort to group blanks together, select those rows, and delete them in one step. These choices depend on whether you need placeholders, continuous data, or true deletions. To finish, clear the selection and scan the sheet to confirm data alignment and formulas. Once done, save a copy if the change is significant. If rows shifted or data misaligned, use Undo right away and try Delete cells with a different option or fill blanks instead. Make sure to check for formulas that return empty strings. They appear blank but are not selected by Go to Special. If that's the case, convert formulas or use a helper column to identify true blanks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.